I'm at the Surveillance Summit 2019 and I'm joined by Rob Houghton from Insightful Technology. How do you think banks are being perhaps short-sighted in their understanding or their approach to effective regulatory technology solutions across the three lines?
When we look at it, we see most of our customers go for, they collect their data. Then you analyze the data and then look and goes, that's rubbish. In reality, it's an iterative approach. If you're going to remove those false positives out of their data, they only achieve that by re-engineering that data. So you don't touch that core data, but how you associate it, how you associate the tags with it, that has to be done over and over and over again. You can't just change the model over here, because that's a simple process. You've got to go back to your core data. And no one's looking at that as an iterative. They think they're going to stick it in Amazon or Azure or something, and it's there, it's safe. But in reality, you then got all your compute time that's going to be associated with it, and nobody understands necessarily what the true cost of that re-engineering of all that data is. Also, you've got to look at the compliance officer, because if you're going to go and create this massive holistic view, there's massive risk associated with all that data being in one place. So who's watching the compliance officer and what he's doing with the data as well? So from a value perspective to the banks, security, jurisdictional process, evidential way to what you're doing and presenting. If it's electronic, most people know it can be hacked. So wherever you store all this data, make sure that it can't be touched.